So for the last 2 weeks, we've been doing just very basic sheet things. We made a table by ourselves. We bolded text. We highlighted text. We kind of understand how cells move. Now we're going to go ahead and do one of the more complicated skills because it's easy to make a mistake, and it's called using the filter. Today we're going to use the filter to sort, not to filter. So when you're sorting something in your sheet, you're looking for some reason to sort. Like you may want to put it in from highest to lowest scores, such as like an assessment data, or you might want to be sorting by alphabetical order, such as if you were sorting students or wanting to put them in teachers. Today, I'm going to show you just how to do those different kinds of sorts. The important thing to know is that when you're sorting, you do need to be careful because if you mess something up, then your data can go in the wrong cells. So I usually select the whole thing. If my column is my header, which has all the important information, I go ahead and click this box so that I know that everything that I ask it to sort is going to sort the whole sheet, so that kids are going to move, their whole data set is going to move with them. And then I'm going to go ahead. This button here is called the filter. It always looks like a funnel, and when you click on it, it's going to give you little funnels that are in green. This is where you can choose what you want to filter and sort. So I'm going to go ahead and sort first. I want all the kids who are below or approaching and kids who are on to be grouped together. So to do that, I know that they all have the same characteristics, so below or approaching 5th grade, above 5th grade, on 5th grade. So I'm going to go ahead and sort A to Z and watch what happens to the students. Now, in alphabetical order, I have everyone who's above is together, everyone who's below, and then everyone who's on falls to the bottom because I sorted in alphabetical order, and O is after A and B. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this filter off. When I take this filter off, it's not going to sort anymore if I want to keep it that way. Sometimes I might do this because I might copy and paste all the kids who are above and put them in a different sheet so that we can group them for extension, or all the kids who are on and put them on a different sheet for extension. So we're going to go ahead and make another sort. This time I'm going to sort by scores. So I want the students who have the lowest score to go on top. So now 161 is on top, and then all the way to 250 is on the bottom. That is sorting by scores. Now I am going to turn the filter back off, turn the filter back on. Now I'm going to go ahead and sort again, this one by like who took the test at a different date. So all the tests that happened in January 30th, they're going to get grouped together. Oops, I want to delete. So you can see all of these were September tests, where the ones at the bottom were later September 16th. Right, and then I'm going to turn my filter back off. So this is how you can quickly sort data based on, usually you're doing it by the A to Z or the Z to A. You can also do it by color. We'll work on filtering next week and then conditional formatting the following week.